Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my 83rd day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about that the believing in the God. So it's also the good things and also I believe the more much in the God. So that's why I want to share with you something in the believing in the God. So just like when you believing in the God, then you also having the just like a having the faith in the higher authority and the higher power. And just like a believing in the God is not doesn't about that the religion, it's also about that the you are surrender and the you are and you have the hope for that and you also faith in the God. So it's also the good things when you believe in the God. Why? Because in the tough situations, you when you have the just like believe in the God, then you also just like gives you and believes gives you the courage and also gives you the power and the inner power. And it also makes you always happy when you believe in the God. Then in the tough situations you also feel the happy when you trust it about that, because you also know about that after some time, just like problems in going on and you also facing the challenges. So it's also the good things when you know about that. And you also when you believe in the God, then you also just like know about that the moral values, because believing in the gods also gives you power to take the right and wrong decisions. And you know about that what is the good and what is the bad, because when you facing the gods and the believing in the God, then you also think about that it is right and it is wrong. And when you do the unnecessary unwanted activities, then you also think about that it is not good, because when you do this type of things, then you also feel unhappy for that. And you also know about that it's not good, so you don't do it this type of things, and you also think about that good things. And you are just like when you believe in the God, then also reduces your stress and your overthinking, because when you believe it, then you think about that one day and every day. It is also reminds us you have the remaining life, so you are thankful for the every moment. And it's also know about that just like when you do the hard work, also believe in the God, then you also can achieve all things in your life. And you also live your peacefully life, and you also listen your inner values, because when you believe the God, then you also listen you also know about that your inner values. And when you faith it, then you don't do it any other things are there. And it also gives you power to face the all problems, and you not anytime giving up. And when you not believe it, so you try it these things, and you also know about that what is this. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.